Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I want to share a super fun manicure inspired in the 70s. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. First, as always, I'm going to start by applying my base coat to protect my natural nails and to prevent any staining. This is also going to help your polish last a little bit longer on your nails. And now for my base color, I'm gonna go with this shade by Mooncut. This is a great color if you wanna do a neutral base but still have some shimmer on it or a little bit of a different effect. So I'm applying 2 coats of this one before starting with stamping. For this design, I'm going to be testing out a new brand for me. This is Manuscript, and they kindly sent me some samples to test out their stamping plates. So this is Basics French 1, and you can see it's all inspired in French tips with different depths, with different angles, with different sizes as well. They also have this big rectangle where you can do gradients, and you can see that it's also suitable for short nails and for longer nails as well. So I do find like this plate is really good. The quality is great, and they have a lot of designs that you can play with for French tips. So I'm using these 2 designs that I feel match better with my nail size and nail shape. I will recommend you to do this with stamping polish because it will work a little bit better. It doesn't dry as fast, so you have some time to pick up the full design. The plate worked perfectly. This was the first try, and I think the pickup was perfect. No problem at all. Just make sure that your nail is still a little bit sticky so the design transfers properly. I didn't put anything here in my nails, so they were a little bit dry, so it took a little bit longer. The only difficulty that I see with stamping French tips is that it's very hard to make them even, just because your nail has a different curvature and the stamper as well. We're gonna fix that in a minute, but we're gonna move on to the other nails. So I'm gonna stamp this flower here, and I'm using different colors. So this one is the same stamping polish that I showed you before, and I'm gonna add some regular polishes. So I normally get this question asked about if you can stamp with regular polishes, and you totally can. You just have to work fast because they're gonna dry a little bit quicker, especially this line that is expressy, and it dries in less than a minute. So you just have to be quick and make sure that your nail is sticky so the design transfer properly and you won't have any issues. So I'm just filling out the empty spaces here, and I'm gonna go with the second coat of the French stamping, and this time I tried to get it even on both sides. So you can see here that improved a lot, and I will highly recommend press it down and a little bit on the edge so the stamper also covers the free edge and it doesn't chip that easily. And then I'm just applying this smudge-free top coat as I normally do, just to avoid any smear of the polishes, and then a fast dry top coat. You can also do this design in a matte finish. I think it will look amazing as well. I'm very happy with the result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.